micro and mini hydropower projects as green energy source.
सलामी मंच से गुजरता हुआ वाटर रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट
Tableau, the WRD, Water Resource Department Tableau presentation. On water conservation project. The third tableau, as you can see, is of the Water Resource Department with the national campaign Catch the Rain When It Falls and Where It Falls, an Amrit Sarovar mission featuring the CK project in Lower Subansiri district. As you witness all these tableaus, very interestingly, all the personalities in the sports and youth affairs, ladies and gentlemen, this name understood. Next is the NIPCO, conferred with Mini Ratna Category 1 CPS status. NIPCO showcases its strong presence in Arunachal Pradesh with multiple power projects displaying through this tableau.
NIPCO के पश्चात डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टूरिज्म की झांकी
displaying this tableau on the theme Rural Tourism, My Arunachal, My Heritage, highlighting programs like Chief Minister's Paryatan Vikas Yojana, Chief Minister's Paryatan Shiksha Yojana, and successful tourism models in the state heritage tea village, Shergaon in West Kameng and Chulyu Agro-Tourism Village.
Itanagar Municipal Corporation की झांकी
With the theme Progressive Itanagar together with INC presents various initiatives of the Department for Progressive Itanagar, the INC, and now the Department of Rural Development. Theme Strengthening of Rural Livelihood Path to Sustainable Development. The tableau highlights various schemes of the department providing livelihood to people in rural areas of Arunachal Pradesh, the Manrega and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Now we have APEDA committed to reduction in carbon emission. APEDA highlights its projects and initiatives like PM Kusum Steel, PM Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana, Go Electric, and Lifestyle for Environment. As you can see, electric vehicle here, one of the initiatives of the APEDA.
सलामी मंच के सामने अब निमास की झांकी
Ladies and gentlemen, the National Institute of Mountaineering and Adventure Sports located in Dirang presents a tableau showcasing the spirit of adventure sports conducted in the institute, training more than 12,000 young Indians in the inland, aero and aqua verticals of adventure sports.
Directorate of Information and Public Relations की झांकी सलामी मंच के सामने
Introduces a social media live streaming mobile van to boost public communication and engagement. Equipped with high resolution LED screens, it will be capable of digital exhibitions, emergency alerts, etc.
Department of Power
Showcasing two flagship schemes in the tableau, smart metering and Prime Minister Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, ladies and gentlemen. And up next is the Department of Forest. The tableau beautifully depicts the biodiversity conservation efforts of the department, the Egg and Surrender Abhiyan scheme, the Hornbill Nest Adoption Program, also highlighting the Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary.
Department of Health Services की झांकी
Next we have the Department of Health theme drug abuse and HIV/AIDS, creating awareness on drug abuse, various programs and activities undertaken, and also establishment of healthcare facilities.
Department of Horticulture की झांकी अब सलामी मंच के सामने
The tableau of Horticulture Department showcases the mushroom cultivation as an industry supported by the department, from trainings to supply of cones. The department highlights mushroom cultivation as a sustainable and profitable opportunity for farmers and entrepreneurs. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this giant tableau, Arunachal Pradesh Innovation, is rightly termed Innovation and Investment Park, with the theme Transforming Youth from Job Seekers to Job Givers, a key driver of entrepreneurial and investment activity in Arunachal Pradesh, with entrepreneurial impact, support infrastructure, startup ecosystem, recognition and leadership.
Department of Geology and Mining की झांकी
The Geology and Mining tableau showcases the open cast coal mining activities in Namchi Nampu coal block, Chamlan district. It also depicts mining activities and operations that ensure environmental protection and sustainable development.
मुख्य मंच के सामने अब ऑयल इंडिया लिमिटेड की झांकी
This tableau of Oil India represents the rich legacy and achievements of Oil India Limited in harnessing the energy of the earth and transforming it into driving force behind the country's industrial and economic prowess, showcases the efforts of engineers, scientists and workers of Oil India to ensure energy independence for India.
NHPC लिमिटेड की झांकी सलामी मंच के सामने।
A Mini Ratna enterprise of Government of India, NHPC showcases its presence in Arunachal Pradesh and hydropower with various successful projects in our state contributing to substantial socio-economic benefit to Arunachal Pradesh.
ईटानगर स्मार्ट सिटी डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन की झांकी अब सलामी मंच के ठीक सामने।
The tableau of the Smart City, Itanagar Smart City Development Corporation Limited showcases the theme Smart City Initiatives for Enhanced Citizen Experience, highlighting key projects that are transforming urban life in Itanagar. Like drinking water supply project in Trains is one of the highlights.
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर की झांकी देवी सजनों मुख्य मंच के सामने।
This beautiful tableau of the Department of Agriculture in collaboration with 3F Oil Palm Limited, based in Rohini, presents a tableau showcasing the state's remarkable progress in the oil palm sector. Establishment of state's first ever crude palm oil factory in Rohini has been a significant milestone.
और सलामी मंच के ठीक सामने डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फायर एंड इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज की झांकी आप सबके समक्ष।
This tableau has a team where demonstrations are made on their services and expertise. A tableau by the Department of Fire, Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services.
तो गाड़ी आदमी लोग नहीं जाने थे आगे में आगे हाँ 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 आगे आगे Noon na may, hello, are. O kami to kam lang, o